Hello and welcome to the Signagelive stand at ISE 2020, the final one at the rAVe over here in Amsterdam. What we have showing on our booth today is one of the new collaborations that we have done with Mersive and Airtame, which fits into the collaboration suite of products. As many of you will know, the Mersive and the Airtame products, they are effectively there for connecting your meeting room spaces with information that you're sharing, whether it be from your iPad or your laptop, etc. Nice and easy way of connecting Signagelive to this. If you want to then start sharing your screen, you can pick which room we're in, which we're in meeting room 2. So we select Solstice Pod 2. The number then comes up on the screen there to be able to put in as the code. 8, hopefully I've written that down correctly. And then it presents what my laptop or tablet, etc. is showing. As you will see, as I move across into my different areas of the web space, we can also see that being presented there. Once you're finished presenting, which a lot of us do because the meetings don't go on for the whole time, we can stop mirroring, and then the content reverts back to your digital signage information. The benefit of this is, of course, people are already buying these screens to put in their meeting rooms, but the meeting room is then not always utilized for sharing. So whilst we're in a corporate environment, we can then utilize that to be able to share more corporate information messages, whether they be KPI stats or whether they be promotional social messages on behalf of the CEO, etc. As you see there, we have the landing page and then it goes back into the holding content. One of the new things that we have also launched to go alongside with this is the full functionality from a Signagelive perspective of system management capabilities, but what we're calling the web content license. And effectively what that allows the user to do is, whilst using the same system functionality, only at a fraction of the cost can they get some content up and running, URL content, so web-based, not images and videos, such as this, over onto their screen. All of the other functionality that you see here is then connected to a BrightSign device through something which we call the Mersive board. These two brands collaborate very closely with one another. And this is effectively the kit which will show you things from RFID sensors, which will trigger the screen to show relevant product information. Touch sensors, of course, which could be used for museums. Touch sensors, the usual inputs that you can bring into, and then of course make that content dynamic. You know, gone are the days where you're literally just replacing straightforward posters with something static in the digital signage. People are looking for more and more information about how they can engage with either their customers in a retail environment or of course their employees in work setting. If you want to know more information about this and other products that we have available, go to www.signagelive.com.